Welcome, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Got a little light, better light this time. So, got a Berkey filter in. These are amazing. Homesteaders, farmers, wilderness people have these. Takes it all the way down to 1 micron. That means it filters out anything you might get, like pesticides if you're in the country. It filters out viruses. So that's what the mask is all about. 1 micron by 3M, 1 micron to keep the virus out. So all the way down to 1 micron. I just got it together. Haven't filled it up yet, but I'll show you. It's got a space for. It's got 4 holes in it. In case you wanted 4 filters, 2 filters comes with it. 2 is good for, I live by myself, so that's fine. If you had 4 to 6 people in your house, you might probably want 4 of those, so the water would go through faster. Or just get a bigger one. So I think that's going to be plenty for me anyway. Plenty. 2 1/4 gallons. I've wanted one of these for a couple of years now. And with the tax check, all better. It's almost spent. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go get a gun, probably something cheap. But then I guess I can consider myself a prepper. And I gotta get out of the city. So stay vigilant. The market is crazy. Yesterday it went down 10.31.61. Today it went down 8.79.44. So it's almost But anyway, 1.7 trillion is what Canadian Prepper said. And I don't know if that was today's drop or yesterday's drop or both of them together. So I didn't make any trades yet with the stock market trades or with the 401. I've done it all on the computer and I don't seem to, I don't know, maybe I'll have to just set it all up on the phone. But it's gotta switch soon. Now hopefully, a lot of people are talking about the financial stability. If it doesn't go down tomorrow and it levels off, it's got a chance to come back up. But transportation global is going to be crazy. Now a lot of financial advisors and such, YouTubers, are talking about this just might be it. Because with the transportation down, you got up to a month before things are going to slow down. Global is what they're saying. But I see it anywhere between a week and a half and 3 weeks, and it's going to slow right down. What are you going to do with the automotive production? I'm in automotive, so I'm kind of wondering how that's going to work if each of the assembly lines are missing something from China. I don't know. I haven't. I'm on the assembly line. I'm not in the board of directors or anything. So I can't come together with a lot of people and say, why don't we build one most popular car from Chrysler and one from Ford and one, and see if we can get all these pieces together. Because I don't know how many vendors come together to build one vehicle, or a snowmobile, or a tractor. So I don't know. But hopefully everything's going to pick back up, and we can fly things in. It's not going to be a shortage. I don't want it to be a shortage. I don't want it to be a stock crash yet. I'm not ready. I'm just now getting the water filter. Tomorrow I'm going to go get a pea shooter. So we'll see. I want to make it quick. So yeah, 2 days drop. That's significant. with my nearly 30 years of stock market experience, I would go ahead and guess that's probably it right there, and it's gonna bottom out. That's not how I was looking to be finding a very cheap and affordable house. I don't wanna, could be the stock crash. It takes 3 to 6 months for the market to hit rock bottom. So, if this is it, be vigilant, people. Maybe go get your supplies, your food supplies. And I don't remember, I think it's the CDC put it out. A lot of preppers are talking about it. I was just listening to Prepper Nurse 1, Canadian Prepper, Full Spectrum Survival. They were all talking about this deal. So, go get your food, stock up a little bit. I went 2 food runs this week, so I guess you could consider me a prepper now. Now it's time for full spectrum cameras. I gotta get the computer up, and then I'll have full surveillance and a pea shooter. And I want you to prepare to survive and thrive in the future. Rock on, and we will see you hopefully at a solar panel day.